Why your washer won't spin. There are several reasons why a washing machine may not spin, including lid switch. If the lid switch is not functioning properly, the washing machine may not spin. The lid switch is a safety feature that prevents the washer from spinning if the lid is open. Drive belt. The drive belt connects the motor to the transmission in the washing machine. If the belt is worn or broken, the washer may not spin. Motor coupler. The motor coupler connects the motor to the transmission in a washing machine. If the couple is broken, the washer may not spin. See full video links in the description or bio below.